Yoshi, you trying to smash? Wait, you said you're recording me? Oh. Listen, bro. Listen, guys. I didn't want anything. I was trying to get a Yoshi's cookie. I only came here for a Yoshi cookie. Yo, what is good? I got another video. We're gonna make this quickly. This is the video that I had posted on like community a while ago. I'm with the big homie Zane. We're playing Smash Bros. He has to go soon, so we'll see how much we can get in. But my plan was, Zane, it's pretty simple. We both use 6 characters. We cannot use the character again after, and basically best out of 6 wins. That's it. Or like after 6 rounds, we just tally it up. So sorry to get round 1. Character. Here we go. First fight, bro. I've been waiting for this.
Actually, someone like Joe.
Alright, round 1, boys. Round 1.
And Gerudo Valley's on right now. Hold on.
Did you put Gerudo Valley on?
I guess so.
Oh my god, I might get dog walked.
Ooh, I thought I could just eat it. And I had tilt stick on. Oh, it's actually so over for you.
I don't know what tilt stick is, bro.
It makes me do tilt attacks like that. Wait, did they do this like zero landing lag? Wait, hold on. This is zero landing lag. Or usually you like roll into that.
Oh, he hit me with a combo with the crown. Oh, I walked right into that. Oh my god, he's giving me belt. How? Dumbass nigga. Dumbass.
That was on a little groove there.
Oh, he deflects? You're actually risking it all.
Oh, I'm actually 0 aura.
Oh my god, we're getting clapped the first round, bro.
No, he's not coming to fall for that.
Got you.
Oh, I went too high.
Oh, that should have landed. How did I get hit by that?
I had no idea why.
How'd you grab me through that? Oh no.
I tried to do the same thing again. Okay. Per chance I'm just a little... No, my plans in my head aren't going as I see them. So you want to play the zoning game, do you?
Oh, how does that cannon do that much damage, bro? Alright, I'm not content to lose, but like... Oh, what? Oh, I'm still alive? I tried to win by like knocking you all the way down, bro. That did not work. Alright, bro. Go ahead and put the Zane 1 graphic.
Go ahead and do what?
I'm just
I'll
talking.
put the graphic.
Alright, bro. I lost Isabel. It's crazy.
With my goatus.
Oh, that stupid. Oh, yeah. The shit. That grab and throw.
Your only chance of winning is that I don't know which one is like. Oh, Gerudo Valley. You wouldn't mind if I just sat right here, would you?
Oh, I messed up.
Oh, it's okay. I messed up bigger.
That's gonna be my lifeline right here.
You and my first took a seat right there, would you? Oh.
What the?
Oh.
No! Say you swear. Say you swear. Say you swear.
You know if you match Bowser's recovery with the B button, it goes higher.
That should have stopped you. Oh, I thought it did. What am I doing? That should have killed you.
Alright. Oh,
That definitely killed you. That definitely gave him hell. What?
You know what, go ahead and give me Nana. My dodges just don't work anymore. Yeah. Why'd I, like, go so close to the ground? Do I just, like, want you to win?
Oh, that's actually so smart. Bro killed the other one so I couldn't do anything.
No, let me take a seat, right? You... Oh, you're just gonna eat that up. No cookies.
Oh, I tried to hit you with another one.
Oh, Nana jumped out the way. Are we DA? The Bowser isn't as good as I thought it was.
Oh, hold the counter. Do not kill him. Do not kill him.
Oh,
what? What? Oh.
Should I play a not super heavy character just to make it look fair? No, because when you bring out the Toon Link, I gotta bring out the main. So I don't know.
Nah, bro.
It's okay. The innate ability to play Smash Bros. I've been playing this franchise since I was like 6, and I took like 4-year break.
I don't know why I tried to do that immediately. Look at that. You just got all the damage back. But let me land.
Yeah, that's why I play characters.
What? What is that?
But you're almost dead.
I might not post this video.
Yo, this shit might not seem like daylight. Oh, the fingers.
That is so annoying. Like, what is the... I don't want to approach. Oh my god, bro. I'm going to lose.
I'm going to lose. You're lucky I didn't go on dead to this. Look at just the go at recovering with this. Why does that send you so high at 0%?
Like, what?
They just had to reach your soul. Oh. You just get sent around. You dead.
That's crazy. Oh.
Why is it literally the greatest to ever touch this game? Then again, I did kind of just do a revenge side B, but like, you know. Will this video see the daylights?
But
just cut out everything. Be like, yeah, we're only doing one game. Oh, I won. All right, bye guys.
yeah, that's crazy.
I wonder if he knows what move I'm gonna start with. Yo, he could totally win this.
Oh shit. I cannot box with this nigga.
Okay, my fault. No, my fault. Really my fault. I forgot he's like genuinely the worst grab in the game. No, you don't want to do that game with me. I always play the shit characters. I know how to recover with.
I knew it. Oh, this is a fucking mini smash. This dude is genuinely so annoying. My brother Corian plays him.
Oh, you got hit by the back air of Doom in Despair. Oh, how to sell your recovery 101. I thought he was slightly better than that.
Oh, he knew I was going that way. That's actually just prediction right there.
You do it every time.
Oh, shit. This video might not see the light of day. I'm not gonna cap.
Oh, yes, I hit Luna. hate this character so much. Oh, how do you want to die?
Oh my god, bro.
How do you want to die?
This is going to be the easiest video in the world to edit, bro. You cannot touch him at this game. And now I'm playing my main against his main. So let's see who wins, bro. If I get one win with Toon Link, the video's getting posted.
In this brutal valley, yeah, you're fried. Oh, I forgot. I have no range. Why did you
What
push
the?
me? Who said you? Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh.
What the? What? What?
Yes, I played Get Into a Fruit.
Shit.
Oh, he doesn't have that much range. He might actually be good if you gave him more range.
Like, you're right, he's not even a good character.
He's actually the worst character in the game.
And that's why you play him?
I just like him. I always play Gandorf. I love Gandorf. Oh, next stop, watch out. Getting embarrassed.
Oh my god, bro, I'm fighting a boss fight and actually I don't do. What?
Oh.
What? That broke my dude, I had max shield. I don't
Yeah, that's what it does. That's the whole point of the move. The move's garbage outside of the fact that it breaks shield. I'm actually surprised they gave him a good move. I did not think I was going to hit my shield. I just shielded because. Oh, I was a little too antsy. Why am I just letting you have the up airs? Why am I just letting you hit this area of juggles on my organic?
Oh my.
Oh, okay, my fault. You wouldn't mind just coming off stage with me, would you? Oh, I never killed you with a spike yet. That's the whole point again, please. Let me make sure I don't lose. Wow. Okay.
Oh shit. Oh my god, my life flashed before my eyes.
As it should when you're playing against Ganondorf.
Did you watch the tub?
Yeah, I did.
His tub's still dirty.
I'll come back and clean the game if you need me to.
Dirt ring.
Alright.
I'm about to lose, bro. I'm about to lose. Why am I about to lose with the main?
No, bro, I'm actually stressed.
No. Oh, you can't be floating in the air. What time is it? Oh, 6:39. I mean, I think combo still works that I used to do back in the day. Oh, sick. It was 25%.
This thing is testing combos against me.
It works another time, I remember that. It works one more time. Oh, thank you for that. Oh, sick. Okay, wait, hold on. This is gonna be the reason that it gets posted. Oh, wait, why am I selling? Oh, you can't really block a move that does that. I happen to notice. Okay. Is this just what we're doing?
What the fuck? What the fuck? This is what we're doing? Fuck that, fuck that. Oh my god, bro, this is pussy ass gameplay.
This is what it feels like fighting you two. Genuinely just zoning.
Oh, I don't have no ink.
Go get some ink. What are you gonna do? Go get some ink.
I have no time to get no ink, bro. I had zero
Get some
time.
ink.
Oh, I'm at it.
Joe just got hit by the neutral knee. Hold on, this is kind of crazy. Yeah, my fault. I'm not cool. Love using this sword. It's so fun. Oh, he wasn't. I thought he was gonna be so focused on getting that ink. He's not gonna see this coming. Lucky that that is so. That's genuinely the most buns ground pound right next to Pet.
What in the fuck?
Oh, my fault, bro. I guess what combo still works on you now that you're at 0? That's as true gets right there. Oh, not now. Never mind.
Oh,
There's splash damage? I got scared.
oh, I missed.
Never in my life will you ground me with that move again. Oh! Why did I almost break the rebound? I'm gonna end it with the same way that Ganondorf's one ended. Okay, how much ink do you need?
There's no way. Alright, bro, y'all just watched me get beat 06. Didn't even like stand a chance. This is most unfortunate. Bro was able to complete all 6 of the fights and still has 20 minutes before he has to go.
So stay in drafts, right?
Well, I'm not asking, you're just a lot better. There, how about that?
I mean, I have more characters I could play. I mained like half the cat. I mean, I mained random back in 2020.
Bro says he made random back in 2020.
You don't understand? I would play this game instead of doing the Zoom work.
Oh shit. Alright, bro, that's it. I don't know what to do for this video. I'm out.